up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got a beautiful one owner 1978 Trans Am. We're gonna do a full walkthrough of the vehicle, but before we do that, need you to hit that subscribe button if you want to see all of our classic cars as we get them in. Please subscribe right now. I'll wait for you. Perfect. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started. 1978 Pontiac Trans Am. I bought this off the original owner. Actually, my son Chris bought the car. Guy lived in Maryland. He went to Vietnam. He got out in 1973 and then bought this, saved up a little bit of money, bought it in 1977. I have the original build sheet. I have the original bill of sale. I have the dealer invoice as well. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and the ugly so you know exactly what you get before you get it. We ship all over the US and worldwide. We're going to do a full walkthrough of the vehicle. The vehicle was painted one time in 1996. It's got the original engine. Transmission is original, but it was upgraded. It's got the upgrade shifter in it. And also the internals of the transmission has been upgraded. But it is matching numbers. We'll start off with the driver's door. Got a little flaw right here. You also got a little flaw right there. Rest of the door's nice. We got no waves in it. No body work that looks like it was done. Looking at the paint, you can see my reflection in it. But it definitely looks like it was painted before. I would definitely recommend, like I say often on cars, a nice wet sand and polish to really bring out that luster, because it was painted 25 years ago. Fender's nice, no problem here. You got no body work here. Body line looks nice. One major flaw I do see is right here in the glass. I don't know if you could see that, but it looks like water got in here and rusted that out there. The majority of the car has no rust on it. That is the major spot right there on the inside. We go to this fender. Fender's in good shape. No visible flaws. Hood sits up a little high right here. It's got aftermarket wheels. Tires are in great shape, or feel like they're new. Bumper has a little ding there. He dropped a 2x4 on it. Got a little chip there, chip there. Hood's in good shape. To do this car right, you could really bring this whole thing down to bare metal, repaint it, if you want to make this a show car. What I would do is I would drive it the way it is, enjoy it. It's nice and rare because it is a single owner vehicle and it's documented. If it was original paint, definitely I wouldn't paint it, but this you could go either way with it. You could preserve it the way it is with one repaint, or you can completely restore it. Little ding here. This tire's in good shape. This door looks good. No damage on it. Lines are real nice. Same thing here. No bubbling or anything. Sitting real good here. The rest of the lines are good except for the hood. As you can see, this side over here sits up a little higher. I'm guessing this support for the hood is starting to give out. This gap is nice and even as well. A lot of these GM cars, the doors do not close well. We're going to check this one and then we'll check the other side. So that one, I close it lightly and it didn't shut all the way. I'll close it medium. So medium, it does shut all the way. So I'll do it light. Doesn't shut all the way. There's a little gap here. Medium, it shuts good. It's a heavy door. Top of the roof. You can see a little imperfections in the paint when they sprayed it. Back tires in good shape. Rims in good shape. Rear quarter looks nice and straight. I don't see any body work that was done to it. Let's check down here. Underneath looks good. Looks pretty straight. And that's one of the main reasons we were drawn to this car, because it doesn't look like it had much body work done. It looks like it was just painted. And it's a one owner, which makes it pretty rare. Back of the car, bumper's got some chips in it. Honestly, I would definitely, if it was my car, just drive it. Drive it, enjoy it, and just keep the paperwork with it, and it'll only go up in price. These Trans Ams are getting hot, very, very hot right now. Past few years, they've been going up and up and up. Got one little flaw here in the door that I just noticed. Underneath the car, this is all original. This is surface. We have no rot at all. It does need to be undercoated. I would recommend undercoating all this, but this is all solid. It's just age. Same thing here, just age, wear, but there's no rot or anything. Rear end looks newer. Looks solid. Let's do the door close test on this door. That door shuts very well. I did it very light and it shut very good. This door shuts even better than the other door. On the inside we have a little wear on the door panel. Seats look original. The entire interior looks original except for that shifter. So it does have some age. But again, it's a one owner car with 70,000 documented miles. The seat's in good shape. Carpet's in good shape. That door, little kick panel here is aged. Now I will say right off the get, with the gauges, some work, some don't. I do have a list of what works and what doesn't. So RPM gauge works. The battery voltage gauge is showing 15 volts when the car's on. Fuel gauge is stuck, it does not work. Windshield wipers work, front headlights work. Oil pressure gauge shows 60 psi at idle. MPH and odometer is working, and both windows are working, which we will also test while we have it on. You got this little radio here. Let's look underneath the hood. All right guys, so we have a 400 under the hood, power steering, power brakes. That's clean. Clean under the hood. We'll go ahead and pop the trunk as well, and then we'll get it started. If I know how to use a key. Is it a square key as well? Yeah, Chris, you do it. I tried the round key, but it's not working.
You sure?
Let's see if Chris can get it, guys.
It's, you know, I think it's a square key here.
It's usually a round key. That's the ignition.
So,
little technical difficulties. Bear with us.
there we go.
There we go. We got some extra parts here. You hold these real quick. Oh, this is solid. Let's fire it up. Horn doesn't work. Voltage meter's reading, right? That's not working. Gas gauge. RPM's working. Oil pressure's working. We'll see if it warms up. Engine sounds good. For sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. Appreciate you guys checking out our page. God bless the USA. Let's go, guys. Let's run it.